Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Curly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asia, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and so stylish overall ideas. I hope you like it. So beautiful collection of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas in fine hairstyle and wavy curly hairstyling, too short wave and curl on hair. And different ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered and some ideas step. And many much more beautiful ideas of hair dye. Different ideas of blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and very beautiful ideas of highlights. And different ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and very beautiful collection of overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very attractive, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So fan, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.